Hello there, and thank you for joining me. In today's video, I was going to do a quick flip through of the new Happy Planner Joanns Mega Sticker Book. It has 5,144 stickers on 100 sheets. This went live on Joann a couple days ago, and as soon as it did, I hopped on and purchased it and just received it today. Open this up. It's a very large sticker book, as you can see, and I already have one complaint. It is 2 sticker books on each side. It does not have the hole to put the loop through, so look what's happening. They're already coming off. I just flipped through it the one time just as soon as I got it, so I will have to be creating a sticker book, I think, with these sheets, but yeah, so that's the one downfall. But again, there's 50 sheets on each side, and some sheets, looks like there's a lot of duplicates. So I will flip through, and any questions, we can just feel free to ask them in the bottom in the comment section. So there you have it. Yeah, that's my only negative comment, is the stickers are coming off the binding. Personal preference, I think I like this side better than this side. This side looks very decorative. This looks a little bit what I might call more functional, with a lot of wording, but there is 2 sheets pretty much of each one, and they go from colorful to the same thing but with foiling. So yeah. So if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate to ask below, but thanks for watching. See you next time.